two AI video models are fighting for the attention of creators right now: Seedance 2.0 and Wan AI. One gives you incredible multimodal control and built-in audio, while the other gives you an open ecosystem and much more freedom. So which one actually creates better videos? Let's put them head to head. Seedance 2.0 from ByteDance is a multimodal video model that accepts text, images, video, and audio as inputs. You can combine up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio clips in one generation, and it can produce 15-second audio video clips. ByteDance Seed. Wan AI from Alibaba takes a more open approach with models and workflows available for developers and creators to experiment with locally or through third-party platforms. Let's give both the same prompt. A cinematic woman walking through Tokyo at night, heavy rain, neon reflections, realistic lighting, slow camera movement, dramatic atmosphere. Answer? Seedance 2.0 is extremely strong at complex motion, physical interactions, camera movement, and following detailed instructions. ByteDance says the model was specifically upgraded for motion stability, realism, and controllability. ByteDance Seed. One can also produce impressive cinematic results, but the experience can vary depending on the one version, interface, settings, and hardware. For straightforward, high-quality generation, I'd give Seedance the edge. 120 to 155. Test 2, image, plus video plus audio. Now this is where Seedance gets really interesting. I'll provide a character image, a reference video, some background audio, and a text instruction. Seedance 2.0 can combine all of those references and use them to understand the character, composition, motion, camera language, and sound. ByteDance Seed Bleed. One has powerful reference and animation workflows too, but Seedance's multimodal input system makes this workflow much easier to direct. Winner? Seedance 2.0. Here's another major difference. Seedance 2.0 generates audio and video together, including dialogue, sound effects, and background music with synchronized stereo audio. ByteDance Seed. That means I can prompt 2 characters argue in a rainy street while cars pass in the background. Natural dialogue, footsteps, rain, distant traffic, cinematic sound design. And the model can create the visual and audio experience together. That's a huge advantage for short films, advertisements, storytelling, and cinematic content. But one has one very important advantage: freedom. Its open model ecosystem allows advanced creators to experiment with local workflows, customize pipelines, and integrate models into tools such as Comfy UI. So, multimodal creation, Seedance, native audio, Seedance complex motion, Seedance ease of use, Seedance open ecosystem, one local experimentation, one USI. So which one wins? For cinematic videos, complex scenes,